I said earlier at the beginning of this very project that I must carry you guys along till this project is being completed. What's up, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing this beautiful sunny day? So guys, today we shall be exploring this very part of Owerri, Imo State of Nigeria. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end, and as you watch, share to your family and friends. This is Holy Rosary Hospital. It's located here in Emekuku. So guys, today we shall be exploring this road, this Emekuku Umuahia Road or Owerri Umuahia Road. Let's see how far they have gone on this very road. Today is Sunday, 26th May 2024. Though I don't know when this video will be coming up, but probably by tomorrow it will be coming up on this channel. So watch to the end and share this video to your family and friends. You can see they are working even on Sunday. Share to your family and friends. Let's see what they think about this very video and as well the ongoing construction. And for you that is watching right now, why haven't you subscribed to our beautiful channel? Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you always get alerts of our videos whenever we upload them here. So friends, what do you think about this video? What do you think? Now we're heading to Okata. This Okata. What is this? I don't understand. Is this gutter or bridge? Anyway, they later find out what it is. So keep watching.
As you can see, they are expanding the road. Guys, share those videos to your family and friends. This very road used to be narrow, used to be very small, but now, oh my God, I'm so impressed with what I'm seeing here. And you that is watching those videos, why haven't you subscribed to those beautiful channel? You can see the road. I promise to carry you guys along until this road, until this construction is completed. You can see how broad the road is. Oh my God. So my wonderful people, for you to have watched up to this point means you like my video. Support your girl by subscribing. Please don't forget to turn on your notifications so you always get alert whenever we upload them. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.